I walked into my boss's office, looked him straight in the eyes and said, I quit. No backup plan, no safety net, just 4 hard lessons that made me realize I had no other choice. If you ever felt stuck in a job you hate, if you ever dreamed of walking away but fear is holding you back, then listen up, because these 4 lessons changed everything for me. Lesson 1. Your job isn't safe, it's a trap. For many years, I believed that having a job meant security, a stable paycheck, a future. But one day, I saw a coworker, someone who had given the company 20 years of his life, pack his things into a cardboard box and walk out. No warning, no second chances. That's when it hit me. My job wasn't secure. It was ticking time bomb, and the moment they didn't need me anymore, I'd be next. See, a salary makes you feel safe, but in reality it's just a leash. It keeps you just comfortable enough to stop you from asking for more. It makes you dependent on someone else's approval to survive. And then that's when I ask myself, if I'm already at risk, why not take risk on myself? Lesson number 2. Time is your most valuable asset. I used to think I had time, that I could work hard now and enjoy life later, but later never comes. I saw people who spent decades in an office only to retire broke, sick, or too tired to actually enjoy life, and I knew I couldn't let that happen to me. You see, money, you can make it back, but time, once it's gone forever. And every single day you spend in a job that drains you is a day you'll never get back. So I stopped asking myself how much money I'm making and start asking how much of my life I'm actually wasting. Lesson number 3. Money flows to value, not hard work. They told us, work hard and you'll be successful. So I worked hard and my paycheck stayed the same. Meanwhile, my boss played golf and made 10 times more than me. Then I learned something that changed everything. Money doesn't come from hard work. It comes from value. Think about it. The guy flipping burgers works harder than the guy running the company, but the CEO makes millions. Why? Because he owns the system that creates and generates value. So instead of asking how can I work harder, I start asking how can I create more value. And the moment I figured that out, everything completely changed. Lesson number 4. Freedom comes from betting on yourself. The hardest part wasn't quitting. The hardest part was believing I could make it on my own way. Everyone told me I was crazy, that I will regret, that I will fail, and for a while I believed the same. But then I realized I'd rather struggle for my own dream than slave away for someone else. And that's the moment I learned the most important lesson of all. Freedom isn't given, it's taken. And it starts the moment you decide to bet on yourself. Now I know many of you are probably thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how do I actually start making money on my own way? That's where the real power lies, in taking control of your finance. I want to help you do exactly that. I've built a free Forex trading group where I share signals, trading ideas, trading strategies, and everything I've learned over the years, so you can start making money with Forex just like I did. No gimmicks, no empty promises, just real, raw, actionable results and strategies that you can use immediately. If you're ready to take the first step toward financial freedom, join me in my free group. I'll guide you every step of the way, and together we'll build something that's yours. If you're ready to bet on yourself and learn how to make money the right way, click the link below and join the community. Let's get started. So if you're stuck in a job that drains you, if you feel like there's more to life but you're scared to take a leap, ask yourself, what's really stopping you?